this is strong. Your bike is like this, it's wrong position. Brake is behind the fork. You have to do this. First, unfold the front stem. Push all the way. Unlock this bolt. Turn about 1 circle. Don't turn too many turns, which is not necessary and maybe not good for you. And turn this wheel 180 degrees. So the wire is unwinding. You don't want to turn the other way because it may twist these wires together. So this is about right. Try to see whether it's correct position. If it's correct, you can do tightening this bolt. Tightening, okay, a little bit of tightening. You don't have too tight because you still want to test whether the angle is correct. Make sure the handlebar is perpendicular to this wheel. No, so it's not good. So if you didn't totally tightening, you probably can just move a bit. I think I did a little bit tightening. Okay. So it's do minor adjustment. Now you can fully tighten this bolt. Turn it clockwise. Okay.